Hey guys, welcome back to Development. Today I'm going to jump into the Baseus monitor light bar and we'll talk about the different specs that it has, different features that it has. Let's jump right into it. Right, so if you're like me and you code or you're working on a computer late at night or during the day in a darker room, maybe you're working from home in your basement and you don't have sufficient lighting in your workspace, something like this, the Base Us light bar might be a good option for you. This one comes with a USB Type C connection to USB, and you can either connect that right onto your monitor or into a little power strip. Now, this one has three different buttons. There's brightness up and down, and then you have three different light modes. There's a white, and then a warm, and then in between a white and a warm, and then you have the power button. As you can see here, this monitor just behind me is a 34-inch monitor, and it fills up about three-fourths of the screen in the middle. And it definitely helps when you're wanting to light up where you're at. I've noticed it's helped my eye strain quite a bit if I'm working in the evenings or if I have the window closed or if I was to be working in the basement, it would definitely help out with that as well. Now, there's a lot of different brands that produce these. You can look on Amazon and you'll see quite a few of them. This one is only 32 bucks on Amazon, and it does pretty much all the features that those bigger ones would do, other than having a dedicated mode switcher on your desk separate from the light bar. You can also adjust it to be farther away from your monitor or closer, depending on how far away your monitor is to your desk, as you can see here. And then these are the different light modes that you can do. And then to change the brightness, it's pretty easy. You just click and hold. So that's the Ben Us monitor light bar. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys have one? Another thing that I love about this is it has USB Type C. So if you're using a Mac, you can just do Type C to Type C and put it right there on your laptop. I really love it. I think it's helped my eyes a lot, especially in the evenings when I'm working late. I can just flick this on. One thing to keep in mind, though, I wouldn't just replace this as a light for the room. I think you still want to have some above lighting. This just really helps out with your keyboard and just where your mouse is at and the screen. It helps protect you from that blue light and to have a little bit more of a warm filter on your desk. Thanks again for checking out the video. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm going to be talking a lot more about monitors, keyboards, mice, all different kinds of coding setups. Also talking about tech that you might want to have on your desk.